In front of me is Blackview A200 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access Security. Then Password over here, and one of those login methods, pattern, PIN or password. Now it's time to create it and repeat it to confirm it after hitting Next at the bottom right corner. When you finished, select Confirm. Then answer this question about lock screen notifications by tapping on the best option for you and hit Done. So finally, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!